What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to bring you guys another pre-sale, and I've been looking for different pre-sales that are going to offer a lot, right? That can offer me and everybody else a ton in return, whether it's with staking or whether it's just with the growth of the overall project, as well as maybe developing things as time goes along that you can utilize. And I think we all know where this bull run is heading towards. We have gaming that will have importance. We have metaverse that came from the last bull run. And now we have a significant push in AI named projects, just anything that really has anything related to artificial intelligence. So I want to bring another pre-sale your way that could be a diamond in the rough. You never really know. I do want you guys to do your own research within them. Feel free to ask them questions. They tell me that they're around 24/7, so they're always available for questions and to see what's going on. You can ask questions on Twitter, and you can go over to their Telegram as well. So I want to talk about Scotty the AI. This is a project that just came across my desk and currently sits at the seventh public round of funding when you talk about pre-sale. And we're going to go into this. But guys, could you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button? Also hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Don't forget to check out all of the links for Scotty the AI down below. And you can give it a look for yourself to finally make that decision for yourself. I open the door. You guys walk through it with the research that you do, right? So anyways, let's get into this. So here we have the website for Scotty the AI. They are currently on public round 7, and they have 8 days to this public round. They raised $872,000 out of the $1 million that they wanted to raise within this round here. And the current price per Scotty is 60% of a penny. You can buy with ETH, buy with USDT or card at the current moment. And if you scroll down here just to understand, right, a guardian of the crypto universe. In a vast and complex world of cryptocurrency, there exists the legend of a dog named Scotty the AI. He was a Scottish Terrier with shaggy, a jet black fur that shimmered like the night sky, making him both an enigma and a sight to behold. It wasn't just his appearance that set him apart. Scotty possessed a rare combination of intelligence and cunning that made him a force to be reckoned with. Many believe that he was a guardian of sorts, a protector of the secrets of the crypto universe. With his advanced AI capabilities, he roamed the endless expanse of code and algorithms that made up the digital world, always staying one step ahead of those who sought to catch him. What is Scotty? In a cryptoverse arena, Scotty the AI, a guardian of digital realms, faced off against Floki and Shiba Inu, titans of meme coin fame. Unlike an ordinary Scottish Terrier, Scotty's jet black fur and advanced AI made him a formidable opponent. This wasn't just a clash, it was a showdown of wit over might. Scotty, with his deep understanding of the blockchain's intricacies, outmaneuvered the duo, safeguarding the cryptoverse's balance. His victory wasn't about dominance, but ensures the digital world remaining a place for all. Showcasing his role not just as a protector, but as a wise guardian, always steps ahead. Right. So you can buy now. You can go into here and go into the pre-sale. You can buy now. Right. So Scotty has his adventures, Scotty's quest for knowledge. If you wanted to understand the tokenomics behind it, if you want to go into it, you can obviously go into that a little bit more. But, Scotty AI's companions, you have Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, Ethereum, you have CoinGecko that they are partnered with that you have seen. You can go and check out their information for that they will be partnered with as soon as they do launch there. But you have the supply. The supply total is 1.7 billion. And you have 30% that goes towards public sale and 70% that goes towards staking, devs, exchanges, marketing, which would be 1.2 billion. Now you can check out the tokenomics here and see how this is all broken down, but obviously you want to get into exchange listings and get as much popularity and as much push as possible. Scotty's plan, you have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Right, the community launch, Scotty AI contract audit, the token generation. You have the pre-sale launch. You have Scotty takes on the high road with a robust marketing campaign. Scotty Swap launch, which would be big for that position as well as others that are also included on it. Chat with Scotty Beta, blockchain takeover, Scotty awareness campaign, and Scotty picks beta. Token listings, I guess, on different on popular DEXs, and you want to get CEX listings and so on and so forth, right? That's within their plan. Now, how to buy, you can connect your wallet, fund your purchase, and swap tokens for Scotty. Stake Scotty to earn Scotty. So if you wanted to go ahead and go into staking, you could see the information that comes with staking overall. Let me go ahead and get out of here. But you can see what goes into staking. For some reason, it's not coming up for me. So you can go into the Telegram there, but let me go back here. There we go. Now it pops up with staking. So staking, for all of the information, currently the rewards rate that you would have would be 82.5 Scotty per Ethereum block. And they would break down the rewards that you would have, but estimated rewards right now is 135%, and this rewards rate is dynamic. You have monthly equals what it's going to be divided by 12, the percentage divided by 12, as well as daily will be the percentage divided by 365. So if you wanted to break that down, depending on how much you'll get, I mean, you'll be able to get a decent amount in return as you are staking it if you see the opportunity. Again, you have $800,000+ that's already going through this kind of at the start, and they're at round number 7. So it's very, very eye-opening and telling exactly where they're going to go. Now, if you wanted to also understand the audit, here's the audit. Can owners mint? No, they can't mint. They have no blacklisting function. They have no honeypot, no high selling fees. Trading is enabled. So you have all the things that you really want to see within it. You don't have any type of high selling fees or ridiculous selling fees there, or you have the ability to sell it, have the ability to buy it, and they don't have the ability to add anything or adjust anything within the contract there or within the mint function. So if you want to go and look at some more information and kind of ask them some questions and stuff, you can go and check out their Telegram, which I just brought up earlier today. You can check out their Telegram, Scotty the AI, and you currently have 3,341 members within it. So feel free to go and ask questions there. You can also check out their Twitter account, which has 2,319 followers within it. They're definitely making some moves right now with, moving more into the AI side of things. Just by name, it really brings up things that have anything associated with AI by any means. So I want to tell you guys, make sure that you give it a look. Just give it a chance, right? Go down in the links down below, check it out, see what it's all about. I've been finding different pre-sales, and I've been investing a little bit of money into different pre-sales because you never know what is truly going to blow up, and you never know what is going to have an amazing use case in the end. So definitely give it a look, but make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of Scotty's links down there, feel free to check out Scotty the AI's links. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.